Mike Hughes here. I'm at Juliet Sailing and Diving. And Nate, you want to tell us a little bit about your operation?
I would love to tell you a little bit about our operation. Juliet is a one-of-a-kind sailboat, 104-foot sailboat. She has multiple destinations. She operates in the summer months out of Miami to Bimini, Bahamas. Okay. And once we get over to the Bahamas, we have a 240-mile cruising area. The whole point of liveaboards, and we pride ourselves on it, is going to places where other boats don't go. That's the whole point of being on a liveaboard boat. We also, in the winter months, we do Puerto Rico and St. Croix. And during those months, we do the west coast of St. Croix. They have beautiful wall diving, a lot of macro diving, and some pretty dramatic walls on the north side.
Now, as far as diving goes, what's the most popular that people want, things that they want to see when they go diving?
Our most popular trips are the Bimini trips to the Bahamas, and I'd say like 9 out of 10 divers would love to see sharks.
Okay.
And in that area, you probably see sharks like once a day.
Okay.
If not multiple times a day.
And turtles all the time.
Turtles all the time.
Yeah.
Lots of healthy reef. That's the whole point of coming on a liveaboard boat is to
get away from everybody and see nature.
Yep.
Cool. And if they want more information about your operation, they just go to JulietSailingAndDiving.com.
JulietSailingAndDiving.com, or reach out on Facebook.
Cool.
Social media.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.